Hello tech lovers, welcome back to Tech Tutor, your trusted place for easy tech tips. Today I'll show you how to activate Windows in seconds using a simple command. No complicated steps, just quick and easy. Activating Windows can feel complicated, but this method makes it super easy. Just follow these steps and you are done. Here's what to do. Open PowerShell as an administrator. Copy and paste this command. Press enter and you are done. Now choose one to activate Windows permanently and the process will start automatically. As you can see, my Windows is already activated, so I don't need to do anything. If yours isn't, this will activate it permanently. You can also activate Microsoft Office by choosing option 2. Then in the second step, choose one and the process will start. Feel free to explore other options. They might be useful later. And that's it. Your Windows and Office should now be activated. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm always there to help. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Stay tech smart.